Welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we are going to talk together about exotic fruit baby purees. I received some questions about can I give exotic fruit to my little ones. Exotic means like tropical fruit, mango, papaya, pineapple, dragon fruit, lychees. And my answer is that I always suggest to give local, organic, whenever possible, seasonal fruit to your little ones. And what can be exotic in one country, maybe it's not in another, because for example, avocados, they are local here in California, but they are considered exotic in Italy because they are not grown there usually. Same thing, tropical fruit, mango and papaya, they are not local here in California, but they are local in Mexico or in other southern countries. My suggestion is to give to your little one what you can find in season and locally. That being said, we live in a world where with an airplane, the best produce from one country can be in another country in the opposite side of the world in just few hours. So, if you find at your local grocery store an amazing tropical fruit that has been imported, buy it. Try it first to see if the flavor is sweet enough, and then yes, offer it to your baby. So local, seasonal and organic first, and imported if you want, but always check. Try a tiny piece, check if it's sweet and yummy, and then offer to your little one too. Today I decided to play with some tropical exotic fruit, mango, papaya, dragon fruit and pineapple. You can serve tropical exotic fruit to your little ones in so many yummy ways. So peel it if it needs to be peeled and chop it in small pieces. And then you can decide to prepare a nice smoothie or puree, simply placing everything in a blender on a tall container and using either an immersion blender or regular blender, transform the fruit in a smoothie and creamy puree. You can serve some part of the puree to your little one and you can enjoy the rest. Second option, you can simply cut the fruit in small tiny pieces. Fruit is an amazing baby-led weaning idea, and if you want to be creative, cookie cutters, they will really transform a simple cube of fruit into a nice and fun piece of fruit like heart shape or flower shape. You know, cookie cutters, they can have so many different shapes. You can also mix the fruit with some yogurt, so giving that extra protein touch to your baby food, and also you can add more texture. You can puree some fruit and you can top the puree with other fruit simply chopped in tiny pieces. So many choices. The most important thing is that you don't need to cook fruit. You can serve fruit raw to your little ones. It's yummy and it's super healthy. I really hope you enjoyed this special episode about exotic tropical fruit. If you're looking for similar yummy recipes, check the links in the area here below. Remember to leave me comments and subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and you will receive every single week a new video from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!